neighbors, it's Cody here with Secondhand Farms, and today we're going to do a little bit of repair work. I was using the little Ford to brush hog the other day along the fence line between me and the neighbors, trying to get cleared out to get our next pasture built out over here for the goats. And I was going through a bunch of briars, and the briars caught the little clips, pulled them off, and the hitch come loose. But when it did, it stayed hooked to this side, and all the weight of that brush hog pulling on this side, you can tell it's been broke before, and they didn't clean it back like I'm going to clean it back, show you how to. And they just welded it up on the sides, and the welds just broke on it. So anyways, luckily I got everything shut down before anything got tore up aside from this, and nothing I can't fix easily. You can see this side here, it's been welded once before too. It doesn't look like it's cracked or nothing, so I won't worry about it until it breaks again, I suppose. Just thought I'd take you along with us. I don't have any power out here side of this welder, so I'm gonna fire it up. It's fixing to get a little noisy, and we'll grind this back. Okay, now you can see where I've ground this down. See it better kind of that way. It's hard to show on video, but there you can kind of see it. See how thick this is and how thin it is here. That's what we're wanting to do. We're just wanting to V it out, and then I'm going to weld all of that up and fill that all in with weld. You can have a lot better contact on it. Now it's time to do the same thing to this piece. Alright, so we got both sides all cleaned up now. You can kind of tell on this one, see how much I gouged it on the sides, how much to a point it is. So we can fill all of that with weld all the way across on this side and that side and get a good hold on it. So all that's left now is to weld her up. Now remember, you always want to unhook the battery on these old things so you don't fry the computer on them. Some of y'all get that, some of y'all won't. I'm gonna laugh either way. And another thing, you're gonna want to tack it. I've already got it tacked on this side. My camera quit on me. But you want to tack on this side, and then you're gonna tack on that side. You want to weld both sides kind of evenly, or it's gonna want to pull one side or the other. And if you don't get it straight, you're gonna have a heck of a time trying to get it hooked to any kind of implements after that. It's not looking too bad. I'm going to take that grinder and kind of knock the high spots off of it. And then once I get it cleaned up, I'll come in and I'll fill in my low spots with a little more rod. Alright, we got her all cleaned up now. As you can see, there's a few low spots there, low spots there underneath still. And this side here don't look too bad. I'll go ahead and give her a little bit of pass or two. It doesn't hurt nothing. Here we go. I think that should pretty well get it. I'll go ahead and hit it with that grinder, kind of knock off the high spots so it doesn't catch on clothes or, you know, whatever when I'm working around it. Well, there she be, folks. It's not pretty, but it works. It's all in one piece again, so I can hook onto the brush hog and keep clearing brush. Thanks for coming along with us. Hope maybe you might have learned something new that you didn't already know, or maybe just spend a couple minutes with me. Either way, I enjoyed it. I appreciate you stopping by. So, till we see you again, thanks for watching.